Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be building an isometric gallery layout that's going to look something like this, and we're going to have a bit like 12 pictures here. We're going to be able to scroll down. So the thing for this, we're only going to need a bit of HTML and CSS. We're not going to be needing any JavaScript or anything else. So right here I have index HTML and style CSS, just a basic template, there's nothing inside of them. And then I have 3 pictures here that we're gonna be using, and I'll link all of them in the description. So starting with HTML here, we're gonna have a section hero. Then inside of that we're gonna have a container. And inside container we're gonna have a div with the class of card, and we're gonna have 12 of these, depending on how many images you guys wanna display. Right now I'm gonna have 12, so we're gonna do card times 12. And that's gonna be all the HTML we're gonna have. I opened it already with live server here. So we can start adding the CSS here. First we wanna remove the margin and padding. Then here we can target our body. Like that, and then at the end of this we can add comma, and we want to add the image as well. So we're gonna have that on body, and we're also gonna add overflow hidden, so we don't have a scroll here. Then we can target our section, which is hero. So we want to make it 100% in both width and height first. We're going to have a perspective. Then under that we want to target our container. That's my bad, there's no perspective here, so we're gonna have width of 80%, height of 150 BH. And let's add a card here. So here, hero container card. And we also want to remove the scroll bar that we're gonna have, so we can target here So setting the width to 0 is just gonna be the same as display none in this case. And then we can add the images, but we're not gonna target all 12 cards separately. We're gonna use CSS selectors like odd and even to target all the pictures. As you can see here, and then we're gonna copy that line. And instead of odd here, we wanna have even.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh. Can we switch up all the
Like this, so we already have 12 pictures here. We still need to fix a bit of styles, so to fix the container here first, so we can add display flex to the hero. And then here, we can add margin auto. That's gonna center our container on the screen here. And then lastly, we wanna fix the display of the cards. So let me see, hero container. So by adding display flex, it's gonna look like this, and then we just need to wrap them. And there you go. We got ourselves an isometric layout gallery. It looks like this. So we have 12 pictures. You guys are probably gonna change each of them to a different image or background. I only have 2 right now, so I just made odd and even to speed up the process of making this. But if you guys prefer these images, I'm gonna have them linked in the description. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.